Welcome to the second episode of Knock Knock. My name is Stella Sim, Diamond Master of Atomy Singapore. Today I would like to share with you a delicious HemoHIM chicken soup and a wonderful dessert made of psyllium husk. I would like to share with you this wonderful supplement called HemoHIM. HemoHIM has been developed by Kerry and it has ability to activate NK cells and it has a halal certification. This is well loved by my family members and we really love this very much. The next product is Atomy Psyllium Husk. This is one of my favorites. If you find it difficult to go to the washroom, you should certainly try this wonderful supplement. It will help you in your smoother bowel movement and I include them in my desserts and cakes. Today, I have invited my friend.
Hello everyone!
This is Faye. She'll be cooking together with us.
Okay, now let's start cooking.
Yay! This is Atomy Bamboo Sea Salt. It has proven to help many people improve their cholesterol. So I'm adding this to my soup. And the most important ingredient is HemoHIM. While waiting for the soup to be cooked, the next item is Atomy Psyllium Husk dessert. Prepare your agar-agar and serve it as a topping over it. We have used the psyllium husk as a topping over my agar-agar. It's really beautiful and I'm sure that your guests will like it.
Stella, can you tell me how do you know the Atomy?
4 years ago, I suffered from poor health and my friend introduced HemoHIM to me. Upon trying this, I realized that my health has improved and I no longer have cold hands and feet. I cook it as a supplement for my family and I realized that everyone liked it very much. This is HemoHIM chicken soup and psyllium husk dessert.
This is delivery from Atomy Singapore.
Wow! Thank you, Atomy Singapore!